A live look outside, you can see plenty of sunshine, not tracking any cloud cover today. Actual air temperature right now, 78 degrees. That is anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday. Across the board, you can see Katy already at 79 degrees. So a warm start to what's going to be a pretty toasty afternoon. Forecast high temperatures across southeast Texas expected to reach 80 degrees. And then as we head into this evening, you'll start to see an increase in cloud cover. I would not be surprised if tomorrow morning we're waking up to patchy, dense fog. But tomorrow's really just a transition day. Today, it's all about the sunshine in the 80s. Tomorrow starts off with morning fog possible. As we head into the afternoon, an increase in cloud cover. Now, that's ahead of our next storm system. That's going to bring with it afternoon and evening storms for our Valentine's Day Saturday. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has now issued a severe weather risk for all of southeast Texas. Now, the threat is low, a level 1 on a scale of 5. But Andy, this is a severe storm threat nonetheless. I'll have that timeline coming up.
Caroline.
Things are going to be changing. We've got a severe thunderstorm threat on Saturday with the possibility of heavy downpours, small hail, and strong winds. With that threat of strong winds, that means we could have power outages if you do have tree limbs that are unkempt, which means today and tomorrow, not a bad day to prepare. If you've got a tree limb that you've been meaning to repair, I would make sure you try different computer models because the timing is varying just a bit. As we head into the day on Friday, we'll start to see maybe some prefrontal showers ramp up as we get into Saturday. So starting off our Saturday, scattered showers are going to be possible. And then our thunderstorm chance really increases as we head into the afternoon and evening. This model shows a line of thunderstorms racing through the Houston area around 10 p.m. at night before it pushes off towards the east. Now, if we take this a little bit closer, you can see this model is going to be a bit more aggressive and a bit sooner. I do think those thunderstorms are going to be possible slightly sooner. When it comes to cold fronts, they typically can speed up. So we start off our Saturday with scattered rain showers possible. As we start to head into the afternoon, you're going to see thunderstorms working in from the northwest and pushing through towards the southeast. That means here in Houston, any sort of reservations for Valentine's Day, I would try to make it an inside reservation. 9 o'clock still rolling towards the coast. And then it pushes out of here by Sunday, which means if you're planning any outdoor activities, we're talking a picnic, see if you can push it to Sunday because Sunday looks significantly better. We're keeping rain chances with us the entire day on Valentine's Day, but the earlier in the day, the less likely it is you're going to see lightning. You can see underneath a risk for severe weather. You can see it here shaded in the green, and that does include the Texas Triangle, Houston, Dallas, Austin, and San Antonio, underneath a low risk for strong to severe storms. Now, the primary threat is going to be heavy downpours, frequent lightning strikes, but we can't rule out the possibility of some strong winds as well. That means if you've got a decrepit tree at your house and you've been thinking, I should probably trim those branches, do it now before we get to Valentine's Day afternoon. Not a bad day to do it either. We've got some cloud cover outside, temperatures 80 degrees. That's 3 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday. No breeze to help cool you down, so it's just a warm, sunny day. As we head through this evening, we're going to be tracking fog potential, but Joel, Lisa, more on that coming up.
Okay, Caroline, thank you.
Starting with today, no problems out there. We've got sunshine, temperatures upper 70s and the 80s. As we head through this evening, really the only concern is going to be the possibility of some patchy, dense fog. Otherwise, temperatures really pretty mild, dropping from the mid 60s into the lower 60s by Friday morning. As for the afternoon, once again, sunshine in 80s. It's not until Saturday that we'll really start to see the changes. That's as a cold front pushes through, which is why you'll notice Sunday just looking stunning. So let's talk about that storm threat on Saturday because the Storm Prediction Center has put us under that low severe weather threat, which means you need to stay weather aware no matter what your plans are on Saturday. Make sure you have a way to get weather information. Our app is a free one that you can use, and it would also send you notifications. That's what I use. Let's show you our future track because as we head into the day on Saturday, even as the cold front is still back towards Lubbock, we're going to begin to see some prefrontal partial showers as early as brunch time. That means even early reservations inside is going to be a good option. As we head into the afternoon, Saturday by 4 o'clock, if you're heading to see your boo in Dallas or Austin, thunderstorms are going to reach them first. It's moving from the northwest to the southeast. That line of storms pushing into our area. This is showing the potential of 7 p.m. rolling through Houston by 9 and continuing towards the coast into the evening hours. Now remember, cold fronts have a tendency to speed up, which means we could be seeing the strongest of these storms as early as 3 p.m. in the afternoon, but really any afternoon or evening plans have an indoor option. We are likely to see those thunderstorms. And throughout the entire day, even before we see the thunderstorms, for your breakfast and brunch plans, we are expecting light showers on the wet side. In fact, take a look for your date night forecast on Saturday night, 7 o'clock, a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. That's increasing through the night, which is why indoor reservation definitely not going to be a romantic picnic vibe. We've got shower chances through the entire day. Swap the picnic for a gazebo or maybe just have it inside. Otherwise, you could celebrate early tonight. We've got no problems. We've got a mix of sunshine and cloud cover out there. Actual air temperatures certainly on the warm side. Right now, 81 in Katy, 80 degrees here in Houston, mid 70s up to the north. As we head through the evening, you're going to see very mild conditions. Temperatures going to be in the mid 60s. In fact, waking up tomorrow morning, upper 50s to 60 degrees. We are expecting some of that patchy, dense fog. Now, as we head through the day on Friday, it's going to be another warm one, a forecast high of 80 degrees, very similar to what we saw today. Into Saturday, we'll be seeing an increase in cloud cover. We'll also start to feel those winds picking up ahead of the cold front because it's not just showers and storms. That's a front which is going to bump our highs back into the lower 70s for Sunday. Joel, Lisa, the whole weekend isn't a wash, really just going to be Valentine's Day.
Okay, we can deal with it. Yeah. We're going to have to.
It's not outside. That's probably why you lucked out. Giraffe camera showing not a bad day to be out there. We've got a mix of sunshine and cloud cover over the Houston Zoo. Actual air temperature certainly on the warm side right now, 80 degrees here in Houston, mid 60s down on the island, much more mild. And this weekend on the island, they've got Mardi Gras weekend too. Should be a great weekend for it, but Saturday could be a bit messy. As for the evening tonight, mild with temperatures in the 60s. Friday, just like today, we'll start to see an increase in cloud cover, though, and a pickup in winds ahead of that. That's coming with a cold front, which is going to bring a severe weather threat. Primary concern is going to be the possibility of damaging winds. So starting off our Saturday, rain showers possible across the area. We'll start to see storms push in from the northwest. Our most likely timing 2 p.m. through midnight. You can see this has it rolling through around 9 o'clock, but fronts have a tendency to speed up, which is why even 7, 8, 9, I would say is a high likelihood that we're going to be seeing showers and